Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2022 Ford Ranger, stock number 7169. It's running from the 5th 2022 to the current shape. It's an RA 2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the RA 2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Front headlight, left front guard, no dents, left front 6-inch steel wheel tyre, front bonnet, left hand door mirror, left front door, no dents. Right rear door, right front door, no dents. Right hand door mirror, right front guard, right front headlight, right front 6-inch steel wheel tyre, right front door code, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifting, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, back 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,